Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can easily do the maintenance on your water heater, how you can easily flush it. Every couple of years you should do it just to get sediment out of the water heater. And basically what you have to do is just connect the hose. This is the apartment, so it's a little bit harder to do, but I'm working on this bathroom, so I have an easy access to the low point of the drain. So all you have to do is connect the hose, open the valve, and let it drain. After it's completely drained, I just go and open the valve a couple of times, close, and really and open several times to get all the sediment out. When you want to drain your water heater, remember this is the air release valve. If you're not gonna open it, it's gonna be really hard to drain it, and it's gonna take a long time. So remember, open that when you drain it. Then when you fill it up, you may want to leave it for a while, because right now I've actually closed that valve. So right now I'm gonna be filling it up. So I'm opening my main valve. If this is gonna be closed, the water is gonna be backing up in the system. So you may want to open that for a little bit, and then you may want to open your faucets. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna close this, water is flowing, and I'm just going to open the faucet, and then you should hear a lot of air coming out in a few minutes. If you don't do that, then there's gonna be a bunch of air in the system. Alright, see? There's gonna be a lot of bubbling. There's probably a little bit of dirt water coming out. So keep doing this for a while until your water heater is full of water and you're not gonna hear any bubbling. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.